welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's been a little while since my last video upload. Life has just been busy, and I just haven't had a chance to take many videos. But a lot has happened in the time that's passed, and I have a lot of progress made. There's gonna be a few videos flowing. So for you guys that have been following me on Instagram and keeping up with my stories and a few posts that I've made, I have been waiting on a set of INGS+1 side skirts for approximately 6 months now, and they showed up today. That's what I'm here to show you now. I'm going to be unboxing the side skirts, then I'm going to be test fitting them on the 350. Yeah, so they're for the 350Z, if I haven't already said that. So I'm going to be unboxing them, test fitting them on the car, getting them primed and painted, and installing them on the car. So that's what this video is going to consist of. So join along. So now that they're all unpackaged, let's do a little walk around on them. The shipping was perfect. There was no issues with the shipping at all. No damage on the side skirts. No scratches, nothing. It's all good. So shipping was top notch. The quality of the side skirts is obviously top notch as well. You can tell when you hold on to them. They're just quality product. They got they had the INGS+1 stamp of approval. JD and Part right there. They're good. They just feel like they're quality part when you hold them. But anyway, yeah. So that'll be the matching side skirts now for the rest of the kit on the car. I'll do full disclosure on these. They do have a couple of little nicks. Again, for an aftermarket part, like it is what it is. But this is nothing what I'm about to tell you that would deter anyone from buying these skirts. I would buy them again. There's a couple of little, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, little tiny nicks here. It's just an edge from the factory when they made these. This must be a separate piece in the mold from here on to this piece here. So again, nothing that a bit of sandpaper won't fix. And if you're getting a qualified body man to put these on, which I am, there will be zero issues with that. So the 220 grit sandpaper or 500, take that right off. And you wouldn't even need to fix it, depending on how, not even fix, we didn't need to do anything. You shoot paint right on this now and you wouldn't even, it would be zero issues. But I'll be fixing it because I'm just super particular. But anyway, that's it. So that's both side skirts. I'm very pleased with it. I'm excited to get these on the car. So that's the next step now. I'm going to get these prepped and painted and put them on the car. So I'll do a video of that as well, and yeah, we'll see you then. So I'm fitting the INGS+1 side skirts onto the 350 this evening. Just seeing what the fitment is like, and I got to do a bit of prep work, and I have to paint them, obviously. So I had a couple of guys message me asking me about the dimensions of the OEM skirts versus the INGS skirts. Just seeing how much wider they are. Obviously the INGS+1 are wider, as you can see here. To the point they're actually a couple inches to be exact on this section here. So this is the part that mounts up to the rear quarter panel, bumps into the rear quarter. So from the top corner to the bottom corner, you're looking at 10 inches. And on the INGS, you're looking at 12 inches. So there's 2 inches in the difference there. And I'm assuming that the KBD would be very similar. The KBD skirts are actually based off of the INGS. So I'm only assuming that KBD would be much similar. So I can't wait to get this dropped and see what it looks like. So I have the skirts back from paint and kind of snuck in a little test fit before I threw on the camera, but it's good. Everything is good. I'm pleased with the color match, and yeah. So what I'm going to do is set up a time lapse of me installing the side skirts. I'm going to be fasting in the front, I'm going to be, there's holes on the bottom, goes into the factory holes all along underneath the pinch weld there. Bit of double-sided tape on right here in the corner of the door, and I also have a mounting point on the back over here. So there's lots of, it's nice and secure. So yeah, join along. That is the driver's side completed. All the holes lined up for the underneath, and they lined up in the wheel wells. And yeah, a bit of 3M tape, like I was showing you there in the corner. Fitment is good. I'm very pleased. Paint matches well. So off to the passenger side. So that's it. I have the passenger side skirt mounted. Driver's side is done. We're all good. Everything's great. It's nice and secure the whole way. There's a lot of fasteners in it, so I got no worries about it popping off. And there's not too much strain on any of the fasteners either, so hopefully we won't have any issues with cracking. Fitment is good. I'm pleased with the fitment. For an aftermarket part, INGS has it on point. Like their lines are nice, especially where it meets like literally the whole length of the bottom of the door, the fender, and the quarter. I'm very pleased with it. So yeah, so that's it now. I literally have the full INGS kit. Like I have the full lip kit on the car. So the next sunny day, what I'm going to do is pop the car out of the garage, slam it to the ground, and we'll see what it looks like then. Because you can't really get the full effect in the garage, and yeah, the lighting's not good on this side either. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do in the next segment of this video. So that about wraps it up for the video on the INGS side skirt install. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's more videos to come. I have more things planned for the 350, and I'm going to get into the G35 build. I didn't mention that yet, but I have a 2004 G35 picked up, and that's going to be a fresh start. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you guys can join me along for that one as well. And yeah, so that's it. Like and subscribe our channel. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, hope to see you guys on the next one.